Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. Today we're going to make crunchy sesame cookies. It's really fast, simple recipe. This is one of the fastest recipes you'll ever see. You start off by making sesame flour with your sesame seeds. These have been soaked, sprouted, and dehydrated. And that's just about perfect. You just want it to be crumbly. You don't want it to be like a nut butter, so don't run it too long. That's all you do. And then you mix everything else in the food processor. Your dates for sweetness, cashews, and almonds. Just a pinch of salt, some vanilla powder, and I also have a video to describe how to make the vanilla powder. And a little cinnamon and nutmeg. And that's it. Mix that together. And that's perfect. You just want to make sure that it's very finely chopped. And now this is really dry. So you just want to add a little water to this, maybe 2 tablespoons, just 1 or 2 tablespoons to start with. The dates give it some moisture, but you can see that's just more crumbly. So you're just going to add a tablespoon or 2 of water, not too much. You can always add more water, but you can't take it out. And you just do some kneading. You really have to get in there with your hands and knead it together. If you had soaked your dates in water, if you have dates that were really dry and you soaked them in water, then you might not need to add so much water at the end, but my dates were not soaked. They were moist, but they weren't really super moist. So that's why I needed to add a little water. And that's just about right. I'm gonna add a little bit more water, but as long as they'll hold together when you squeeze them with your hand like this, then you know they're good. And they're starting to really go together well when I squeeze, so I think this is fine. And then you take your dehydrator tray, and this is a tricky part. You do not want to flatten your cookies on the dehydrator tray or your dough will go into all those little holes on that mesh. So to prevent that, you just form your dough into a ball and then flatten it out on your hand. And that's your cookie. So you do this. You can make these as large or as small as you want. It does not matter. You're going to put these in the dehydrator for about 8 to 10 hours at 110 degrees. Now we'll put them in the dehydrator. And now they're going into the dehydrator. 110 degrees for about 8 to 10 hours. Okay. And there they are. Don't they look amazing? And you can't really tell, but they're nice and crisp. See that? They just break real crispy, delicious. Hope you enjoy them. For more videos, check out our website and our social media channels, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.